Hello guys, welcome to my timeline Kenya. My name is Musili Peter, and today I will be showcasing a prefabricated home which is known as Pod 1. This is a one-bedroom house which is made by Spinks Invest and is prefabricated in a warehouse and then transported to a client's site. This house comes with all the fixtures ranging from the kitchen cabinets, cooker, microwave, oven, toilet, shower, and wardrobes. The movable items such as the furniture, fridge, and TVs do not come with the house. This prefab home is for sale and it takes 6 weeks from your order date to get your delivery. Enjoy the tour. This prefabricated home is mainly suitable for Airbnbs, holiday homes, hotels, and even personal homes. The cost of this one-bedroom home starts at 4.2 million Kenyan shillings. The company also has a studio and a 2-bedroom unit whose show houses will be ready very soon. I will leave all their contact details below, and you can reach out to them if you have any queries or if you are interested in purchasing one. That's all for today. See you on the next one.